7 days after firing head coach Lenny Hyde, Chapelton Maroons were unable to field a team in the Jamaica Premier League against Mount Pleasant Academy at the Effortville Centre this afternoon. More in this report.
Despite coming to the Premier League without a full season of club football under their belts, Chapelton Maroons were expected to be a force to be reckoned with in top-flight football. But the newcomers struggled from the get-go, as they have only managed 2 wins and 6 defeats in the first round of the Premier League. It was on the back of those results that the head of the Marooners swung the axe in the way of coach Lenworth Hyde. But if they were expecting better to come from that decision, they were in for a rude awakening, as they could not find a team to close out the round 1 fixture. Well, it could be 3 easy points for Mount Pleasant, who missed out on valuable match practice.
We are here to play. We travel, we prepare to play the game. It's a bit of setback, and we have players who want to play today, match fitness and everything. So it's really a setback for us, but we just have to move on from here.
Anyway, those who went to the venue still got a chance to see some football, as Humble Lion got the better of Portmore United 1-0. The ever-sure Andrew Vanzi getting what turned out to be the winner in the 78th minute.
We stood out there and fought well. I think we had the best moments of the game, and we could have increased the scoreline. But you know, sometimes all you need in a game is one, and today one was enough.
Tivoli Gardens made it back-to-back wins after edging Malines United 2-1 at the Edward Siaga Sports Complex. Tivoli did it the hard way, as they were reduced in numbers when Kevin Pilgrim was ejected in the 37th minute. However, Justin Dunn eased the pressure on the hosts going into their half-time break. But 5 minutes into the second half, Malines were back in it, Jason Wright with his 4th goal in 3 matches levelling things. Markland Burton ensured that Tivoli walked away with full points in the 80th minute.
Yeah, it's a very good start for us, and I'm really pleased with the fans as well. They came out in numbers and tried and support us, so it's a good feeling that we get the win as well.
Getting a lot of chances, goals win matches, and if we don't finish our chances, this is what's going to happen, And Tivoli, they did what they didn't need to do, and they came out on top.
Title holders Harbourview ended a 5-game run without a win, as they beat Montego Bay United 1-0 at Jamaica College. Defender Ajani Talbot got the lone goal of the game in the 21st minute. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.